In today's video, I'll be showing you the secret to connecting your Bluetooth devices. Let's get started. Alright, so the secret to connecting all your Bluetooth devices can be broken down into basically 3 steps. Step 1, power on the device. Step 2, get the device into pairing mode. And step 3, pair the device. That's it. Job done. Well, not exactly. Powering on the device, that's pretty simple, that's pretty straightforward. Getting the device into pairing mode, that's a little bit of a gray area there where things are a bit different. Because the pairing mode for a Bluetooth headset, your smartwatch, your car is a bit different. So let's see if we can put it all into practice so we could find out how to pair all our devices. So we're going to first start by connecting our budget-friendly, truly wireless JLab headphones. So step 1 was power on the device. So to power on these JLab headphones, we literally open the box. As we open it up, you'll see lights at the front come on right there to show that the power is on. And when we take these out here, the lights on the headphones as well turn on. So to get our JLab into pairing mode, we take the right side, because the right side is the main side for operation, put it around our ear. It says hello. Then we press and hold just that area right there for 3 to 5 seconds. Then the headphones will say ready to pair, and then we start to scan on our tablet. Okay, so here's how to get into your Bluetooth connection settings on your smartphone or devices. Swipe down from the top right hand corner, you click on that little cog or that little gear wheel right there, select connections, and then you're going to look for the Bluetooth connection option, the second from the top. And then usually your device will automatically start to look for a Bluetooth device that is in pairing mode. In this case, it'll be the JLabs. So at the top right hand corner there, you notice it has a stop sign there, or it says stop. If your device isn't automatically looking for a device, or it's not automatically in pairing mode, here's what you do. So if your device does not automatically go into pairing mode and look for the device that needs to be paired, just click the scan button, and then the first available device will be the device that you had in pairing mode. In this case, it's the JLab AirPods. You select those start pairing. It'll ask for a Bluetooth pairing request. Select OK. Once you select OK, both devices will be paired and you'll be good to connect for calls, audio, etc. Alright, so we're done pairing our JLab truly wireless headphones. Now we're going to pair our Apple AirPod Pros. Again, using the same 3 steps. Step 1, power on the device. Step 2, get the device into pairing mode. And step 3, pair the device. So we're done with the JLabs. Now for the AirPod Pros, just like the JLabs, all we have to do is open up the device, and then that light comes on to let you know that it is powered on. Camera, focus. There it is. Now the difference is, to get the AirPod Pros into pairing mode, if you look to the back right there, you see that little circle. Is it focus enough? That circle there is actually the button that we press for 3 to 5 seconds to get the AirPod Pros into pairing mode. So let's try. I'm now in my Bluetooth settings. I'm looking for my AirPod Pros. There it is, first available device. Select that. Go into Bluetooth pairing requests, we select OK. Now the Bluetooth AirPod Pros are now connected and ready for calls and audio. Alright guys, so that Bluetooth connection secret applies to literally any and all of your Bluetooth devices. Power on the device, get it into pairing mode with that 3 to 5 second hold, pair the device, and your job is done. That applies to AirPod Pros, JLabs, Bluetooth headphones, your car, your smartwatch. Guys, so that is it for today's video. As always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.